Have you ever sprinkled cinnamon powder at your front door? If you've never done this, you might be missing out on one of the most powerful practices hidden in plain sight. Cinnamon is much more than a kitchen spice. It has been revered for centuries as a sacred tool for cleansing, attraction, and transformation. When you place cinnamon at the entrance, you're not just adding a pleasant scent. You're creating a magnetic field that attracts abundance, repels negativity, and opens new paths in your life. Start by getting a disposable plastic glove. With a pair of scissors, carefully cut off one of the glove's fingers. This will become a small but powerful amulet. Now, using a small funnel, fill the finger with some ground cinnamon. Once it's full, tie it tightly so nothing escapes. This little charm carries powerful energy. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone is watching from. Place it inside your wallet, your purse, a drawer, or even your car's glove compartment. Wherever your money or intentions are, let this little packet stay there, working in silence. Cinnamon, in this way, acts as a silent ally, attracting wealth, luck, and opportunities. Try it and you may notice a difference. And we're not stopping here. In your next container, pour in a generous layer of ground cinnamon. Don't overdo it, but cover the bottom well. Now, add 4 whole garlic cloves, placing one in each corner of the container. In the center, stand a bay leaf upright. This trio holds powerful symbolism. The garlic protects and purifies. The bay leaf brings clarity, success, and recognition. The cinnamon energizes and speeds up your intentions. Together, they form a sacred trinity that strengthens the space and removes hidden blockages. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. But if you're looking for something even deeper, something that will completely transform the energy in your home, this next part is for you. Get another container and add coarse salt. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And now, a final transformation. Pour in a capful of fabric softener, choosing a fragrance that makes you feel light, peaceful, and happy. Add some cloves, guardians of the home and protectors of peace. And finally, place 2 cinnamon sticks upright in the center. Light them carefully, not to burn, but just enough to release a gentle ember. Watch the smoke rise, spreading your intention through the space. This smoke isn't just aromatic. It clears the energy, blesses your home, and calms every corner of your soul. It's like a spiritual breeze, opening the way for love, prosperity, and harmony. Thank you for watching, and may your home always be filled with light. God bless you.